Welcome to another exciting and dynamic series in engaging boys in our classroom as we explore activities geared towards our boys so no boy is left behind. It is therefore imperative that in this 21st century, our teaching styles and strategies are retrofitted to cater to the interests and energy of our boys if they are to become active participants in the teaching learning process. Some activities that we can explore and employ in the teaching learning process that will definitely captivate our boys are games, debates, songs, riddles, competitions, the use of manipulatives, yes, concrete objects, and the integration of technology and real-life experience that are linked to the teaching process. Do enjoy, do enjoy.
Hi there, and thank you for opening the door to a world of adventure as we engage our boys in metric measurement. What are you waiting for? Come with us on a scavenger hunt. Now, the metric scavenger hunt is an activity which can be used to familiarize our boys with the metric system and its applications. We're going on a scavenger hunt, scavenger hunt, scavenger hunt. We're going on a scavenger hunt to find metric measurements. Then various objects will be hidden around the classroom or outside with metric measurements labeled on them. For example, a box with dimensions of 20 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 5 centimeters, or a bottle labeled with milliliters. These students will also be provided with a checklist of the items to be found. Then they will search for these items. After they have found them, they will identify the measurements on them and record their findings on the checklist. Now, after all of this is done, the teacher will gather the boys together, discuss their findings, and encourage them to convert measurements between different units. Now, isn't this a fun way to teach our boys metric measurement? Oh, yes it is. We're going on a scavenger hunt, scavenger hunt, scavenger hunt. We're going on a scavenger hunt to find a metric measurement.
Teachers, teachers, teachers. Here is another exciting activity that we can use to boost the learning of our boys. The Great Race. This activity is a fun and competitive way for boys to learn about measurement. It also helps them to develop their problem-solving skills and teamwork. The materials we want are a variety of measuring tools, example, rulers, tape measures, and yardstick. A variety of objects to be measured, example, pencil, rulers, book, blocks, belt, ribbons, and any other thing in their environment. We also need a starting line and a finish line, paper, and pencils. The steps are as follows. Gather a variety of measuring tools. Gather a variety of objects to measure. Set up a starting and a finish line. Allow the boys to get into teams. Have each team choose one object to measure. Have the boys and each team work together to measure the object using the measuring tools. Have them record their measurements on the paper. The team with the most accurate measurement wins the race.
Place the students in small groups and give them any four material. Give them a sheet of paper for them to record the estimated length on one side and then the actual length on the other side. Let them know that you will place the glass of sand in front of them, and before the sand runs out, the students must complete the activity. The first group to finish and record the most accurate measurement will be given a prize. At the end of their activity, they will share their findings with the class and compare their measurement to see which group measurement is most accurate. Place the students in small groups and give them any four material. Give them a sheet of paper for them to record the estimated length on one side and then the actual length on the other side. Let them know that you will place the glass of sand in front of them, and before the sand runs out, the students must complete the activity. The first group to finish and record the most accurate measurement will be given a prize. At the end of their activity, they will share their findings with the class and compare their measurement to see which group measurement is most accurate. Place the students in small groups and give them any four material.
Hi teachers, this activity is one that is going to blow the boys away. It is called Designer Farmer. And this activity will integrate science or agriculture, mathematics, and art and craft. And so the boys will be given a scenario. They will also be given the following objects. 1. Sponge or styrofoam. 2. Toothpicks or matchsticks. 3. Rulers or tape measures or any measuring tool that they have. 4. Glue. 5. Strings. So those are the objects that they will need to complete this activity. So based on the scenario now, the boys will design a perimeter fence for their farm. And so step 1, they can go ahead and paint the styrofoam or the sponge to match the earth. That is going to be dry because they are using water paint quickly. 2, now they are going to be measuring the distance around their farm. The thing about this is that the scenario will tell them exactly what the farm looks like, and so they will have to do that measurement on their land. 3, they are now going to be taking their toothpicks to create posts. Encourage them to have equal distance between the posts, and this will also teach them how to measure using the units of measurements that we have taught. The next step is going to be for them now, having placed their posts around their perimeter, they are now going to use their strings to design their fence. If you want, you can substitute the strings for like papers and whatever else you might find interesting in your classroom. And then they are going to be making their fence or their perimeter around their farm.
Join us again as we continue this exciting series. Thank you.